Hey guys, okay, I've got, I don't know what it is, it's a Schlage Keyway. I don't know what the actual cylinder is, so without any clue, I don't want to go calling it a Schlage. But either way, it's lovely, lovely, beautiful. Look at that, it's really pretty. Pinned by PickME1977. I don't have a key for this one. That's all good. Okay, so I'm going to go top of the Keyway. That'll do. Let's try a black jam. Yeah, that'll also do. Okay. Let's get a nice picking angle. I don't know how many pins we got here. Let's have a look. Only feeling 5, but it looks more like a 6. Anyway, let's have a little go. See what's poking down. In fact, that's too fat. Sorry, yeah, if you haven't figured this out, I haven't actually had a go at this yet. Okay, a little bit of a click on 3 and then 2. I think it's a 6-pinner. Okay, a little bit at the back end. I don't know, I still don't know if it's 5 or 6, that's why I'm saying that. Yeah, 6. Okay, nice deep false set. Counter rotation at 6. No trouble setting anything from that. Let's go somewhere else. Okay, there we are. Open on 4. Must have been touching 4 when I was going through to 6. And you can see, there we are, open because the back plate was just catching on the back of the vise. Thank you, PickME. Beautiful lock again. Really pretty. Let's try not to lock it up. Okay, this is a Schlage follower, so hopefully we're all good. And through without any fuss. Okay, pretty. Number 1 we have a serrated. Wow. Number 2 we got beauty. Double serrated. Number 3 we have got triple serrated. Number 4 double serrated. Number 5, sort of like a bit of a spool serrated job. Lovely, really pretty pins, PickME. Beauties. And we've got sort of a serrated T-pin type thing. Okay, and then at the top, no, then down the bottom, in the core, you can see that we have threads in 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6 actually, all of them. And then chamber number 5 has been oversized counter milled, as does number 3 and number 1. I really hope you can see that. That's a fantastic job. So you can see 5 there. I think you can also see 3. And hopefully 1 you can sort of see it's been oversized a little bit there. Very nice job. Surprised I got that quick, to be honest. Really, really nice, that is. Okay. I'm going to use my non-magnetic ones for a change because PickME tends to put some crazy variations up here. Okay. We've got a beautiful spool. And it was in that way. Serrated. Spool. Serrated. Wow, that was only just above the shear line. It's a beautiful spool, which goes that way. That serrated was that way around. Stunning lock, PickME. Absolute beauties. Right. Okay, nothing's done up in the Bible, so I'm not going to start mucking around up there. Alright. Look at these, absolute beauties. So hopefully, let's do them justice. Okay, so down the bottom we have serrated, double serrated, triple serrated, double serrated, double serrated, and sort of a, well, it is a serrated really. And then up top we got a load of spools. Really well done, nicely made. Serrated in 2, spool in 3, serrated in 4, double spool in 5, and serrated in 6. Really stunning, mate. Very nice job indeed. Lovely, beautiful lock. Really well. I don't know. That's going to slip into the collection. That is. It's just too nice. Thanks, PickME. Cheers, mate. And everyone else for watching. I'll be back very soon. Take it easy. Be good.